How to put audio in CapCut PC. So first and foremost, select a video that you want to add our audio in. From now, here at the top you will see the option of audio. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can select the music from the app, or you can even choose the sound effect. You can check for copyright. You can even add or import audio from your device, or you can use a TikTok sound. Now let's go ahead and choose in built-in music. For an example, I want to select this one. So first and foremost, you have to download this audio. Once it is downloaded, just tap on this plus sign icon right here. Now, if you want to split a particular section of this audio, here's what you have to do. In your left hand side, you will see a margin or a line right here. So what you have to do is you have to drag it across the audio where you want to split it. Now, once you place it here, you have to go ahead and tap on the split icon, and simply like this, it will be splitted. Or you can just drag the end to meet the audio size with the video. You can also fade the music in and fade it out by just dragging the dot icon, something like this right here. Once you are happy with it, pull the margin back to its place and then play it, and it will look something like this. Hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching.